Okay guys, welcome to this second part of Essential Number 1. So you've clicked on the link in the previous lecture and you're looking at a screen like this. If you're not looking at this screen, please go back to that previous lecture and click on the link. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to set up our Shopify free trial. This is a very straightforward process, just takes a couple of minutes. Completely free, no obligation, nothing to worry about. Just follow my lead. So the first thing you need to do is to enter your email address as it clearly states. So I will put in my email address, which is tim@ecommercemindset.com, and just click on get started. Now it wants me to create a password, so I shall go ahead and do that. And also it's asking me for a store name. Now you don't want to get hung up at this point. Basically just create any store name. You can change this later on at any time. It's super easy. And what I always tell my students is basically take your name and then just put on hot deals or amazing deals or daily bargains or whatever, something sort of e-commerce related. So I'm going to call mine Tim's Bargain Deals. And then I'm just going to click on create your store. So it's sitting tight. We're basically just creating a store in the background here. Shopify's doing its magic. And in a moment, there we go. Next little form here where they want to know a little bit about us. So are you already selling? I'm not selling products yet. I think it's probably correct. And what is your current revenue? We're at 0, just getting started. This question here, yes, I'm developing a store for a client, is not relevant, so just leave it unchecked for the moment and click on next. Now this bit here, add an address so you can get paid. Yeah, it's a little bit sort of, in my opinion, it's Shopify jumping the gun a little bit. We haven't even set up our store and they're talking about us getting paid. So just fill in this with the details of your address, where you live, simple as that. Yeah, so don't be intimidated by this form. I'm going to put in my details, so Tim Sharp. I shall put in some stuff like that, and I'll put in a telephone number, which clearly is any old telephone number. Again, all this can be changed later on. Business or personal website, optional, so we'll leave that. So basically just my general details, and click on enter my store. And there you have it. Bingo, you have set up, believe it or not, a Shopify store. You've done the very first part. It's all done. All the magic's been done by Shopify. It's hosted, on their servers professionally. You've got nothing more to worry about. So let's go to the next stage and start looking around at what we've just created.